welcome to my channel, my DC collection. Hey, we're back. I haven't done any of these for so long, it's been so hard. But today we have got Lex Luthor. There is a Lex Luthor Power Suit premium format from Sideshow Collectibles. We are number 99 out of 1,000 on the regular edition. So let's get this baby unboxed and see what we've got inside, shall we? Okay, out the box is. Let's have a look inside, shall we? And here we have him in all his glory. Hello, Lex Luthor. We've got some base. Looks cool. I think this is, this light? Yeah. Lights on, lights off, lights on, lights off. That's cool. Got his head round here. That looks good, doesn't it? And then the big body. Oh, look at that shadow, sorry. Looks nice, doesn't it? This was one of them. Shall I, shouldn't I, shall I, shouldn't I? And I had some Sideshow reward credit. There was $100 off and free, bloody hell, and free shipping to the UK. That is one heavy base. So I was like, shall we buy it? Yeah, let's buy him, man. Proper heavy base, that is. Awesome looking though, isn't it? Right, let's get Lex out. Oh, his power suit anyway. Oh, look at that. Yeah, man. Can we see him? Stick him on his peg. And in, just like that he goes. Tell you what, this was, as I said, this was a shall we, shouldn't we? Money's off, let's buy him. But I'm so impressed. So good. Rub his head for luck. Fantastic. Let's get him built. In he goes, nice and solid. What do we think? He's got that sort of look on his face. He's like, yeah, I'm about to cause some right trouble. Let's put these lights on. That looks cool as well. Yeah, man, I like this. I do. Lots of damage. Battle scars, battle damage. Too many fights with that guy up there, look. Look at that. Looks like he's took a pounding in this. You don't want to get smacked in the face with that, do you? Oh, he's good. He's so good. Apparently he's low stock on Sideshow. So if you're thinking of getting him, oh, just get him, man. Don't think about these things. Buy, buy, buy. Right, let's go and have a bit of a closer look at the old base. Right, let's have a close up of this base. Lex Corp. The big L. Lots of detailing behind. All the power cables, I assume. Look at this, all this stuff that you just never get to see, man. Once it's up on the old shelf. Okay. All the scuff marks. Oh, come on camera, work. There we go. Look at all this. You don't want a brand spanking new suit, do you? You want something that's been used. So it shows the battles that he's had in it. Look at it. Absolutely fantastic. All his legs. I like how his one boot's just sat on top of the O. That's quite cool. So good. Alright guys, what do you think? Do leave me some comments in the comment box below. Let me know what you think of him. I am really, really impressed. I don't know if you guys can see what's next. Yeah, got that one to do straight after this. Cannot wait. Proper feel like a kid at Christmas. Right guys, please do like, comment and subscribe. Definitely leave me a little comment, let me know what you think of him. Honestly, on the website he doesn't look that great, but in person, I just can't tell you how good he is. Yeah man. And there he is up on the shelf. I will say as well, he's very, very heavy. But him and Superman, yeah. They look great next to each other. Excellent. Alright guys, like I say, thanks very, very much for watching. Please do drop us a comment, like the video. Maybe subscribe to the channel if you're interested. Thanks very much for watching. I'll see you on the next one. Cheers, bye.